All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. It's been a really long day. Just want to get out of here, to be honest, but I got you guys. So anyways, you remember yesterday, hung this panel right here, dropped the feeder in this morning right here through the top. Got all the home runs in this room. Didn't start pulling wire until like 9 or 10. Because I was making up the panel, and then also went and brought up like 12,000 foot rolls of wire. So I'll show you what those look like in a bit. There was 10 rolls of 12, roll of 10-2, roll of 10-3. That stuff gets heavy. So we used the little elevator outside, the little temporary elevator on the outside of the building, so that was fun. Get some views out there. Anyways, so I don't know if you guys want me to go over everything I did every day as far as wiring. Let me know if it gets boring to you, if it's a waste of your time. But anyways, ran the washer dryer down here through the wall. Also ran the bathroom through the wall over to there, or actually that was the bedroom through the wall. And then another one for the water heater, which is gonna go right here in this closet, right here, I believe. Actually, no, it's actually back there in that closet. So anyways, got all these. Sorry, I'm doing all the 360s here. Got all of these running down the wall right here. Got one right here dropping down for the other bedroom. Then all these going down across the ceiling into the kitchen. So that turned out pretty nice, I think. Got all these going down where they need to be. Anyways, moving on, I'll show you the wire real quick. You'll get a general idea. But I've never seen a 1,000 foot roll of 10-3 before, so anyways, it's pretty crazy. So here we go. Here's our 4 rolls of wire. We got the 10-3, the biggest roll right here, the heaviest. 10-3 for the dryer. We got the 10-2. I'm getting these confused here, but I wrote all the important information. So this is the 14-2, this is the 12-2, and this is the 10-2. So you got your water heater on this one with the ground. Now that we got it now that we got the new roll, we got the ground in there, so that's ready to go. And then these are for your kitchen and everything else. Kitchen and also kitchen, and then for your bedroom and plugs and stuff like that, lighting. So moving on from there, got this second unit done over here. So we got another unit done over here. I think this one turned out one of the better ones, nice and straight, so that looks super nice. Once again, these are pretty much all the same unit again. The 1 bedroom and the kitchens are usually on the opposite wall, so that's annoying for us, but it is what it is. So skip that one for the most part, and then going back into this one over here. Same unit, just flipped or mirrored. So basically the kitchen's on the left side, this kitchen's on the right side. So got all these in right here. Just didn't finish this room right here, so we got the 2 full rooms done. In this room, got all the holes punched in the metal, but still got to punch a few holes over here. One for the water heater coming down this wall right here. And then I got to punch some holes, or drill some holes through the sheetrock over here for the kitchen. That's where the wires will be coming down here once we punch the holes to the top up there on the second layer. So it has to be in this top layer right here. But that's pretty much going to do it. Only got a few more rooms left. I don't know how many are actually available to do. So it should be like maybe 5. So that just fell over. Did you see that?
5, so
anyways, should be another day or 2, and maybe we'll be done with this floor at best, if not maybe on Monday. So probably won't be the whole week of next week, so that's a good update. So get something new going on by Monday or Tuesday of next week, and we'll be done with these home runs. So that's all I got for you guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe. I will be doing some other type of videos coming soon over my house. Maybe some how-to videos, and maybe like how to use some tools. I should probably do a stud punch video right now, but I want to leave and my arms are sore, so I'll be doing that another day. Look forward to that. Subscribe, come back and check that out. And then check the description for anything else like social medias, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And also, if you remember, we beat these guys to the wall right here, but they literally just ripped our pipe off the wall and screwed us, so we'll have to drill a hole right there to get our pipe back through. Hopefully they didn't bend the box too much. They bent it a little bit. But anyways, that's really rude of them, and we'll have to drill a hole and continue on, because that's life sometimes. Sad day.